7-seat SUV was designed with Mazda's very own Kodo Soul of Motion design language. And it's full of innovative features, the perfect blend of stunning sophistication and family versatility. With impressive performance from real-world efficiencies and an interior that spoils every passenger. Let's take a closer look. Sitting in the driver's seat, you'll immediately notice the elegant design. These beautiful real wood and aluminium accents, as well as subtle ambient lighting. This is the Azami LE grade, which has Napa leather seating throughout, and the front two seats are not only heated but cooled as well. It cools the seat with a ventilation system that uses built-in fans to draw heat away from the body. Also for the driver, another little added luxury, a heated steering wheel. All these features really lift the comfort to another level. The central control commander is right at your fingertips, giving you quick access to the MZD Connect system with an 8-inch display and now also with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. A great new safety feature is the 360-degree view monitor. Using 4 exterior cameras, they display a full view of the immediate area around your CX-9 on the MZD Connect screen. A new instrument cluster with a 7-inch display meter gives you a clear view of information when driving. A colour heads-up display projects relevant information like current speed, navigation cues and speed limit onto the windscreen in the driver's immediate line of sight. But the comforts are not limited to the front seats. In the second row, you have access to 2 fast charge USB ports, sunshades that hide away in the door, separate climate controls which also include heated seats, and for the growing family, 2 ISOFIX connectors are also available for fastening baby seats. On the road, the new CX-9 is equipped with the full suite of Mazda's iActive Sense safety technologies, including lane keep assist and traffic sign recognition, which shows